Hello everyone. For this video, I'm trying something a little bit different. It's been raining quite a bit in my neighborhood, so I tried rain skate. So I found that the compounds that work the best for this are mulch, fake grass, and wood objects, and then hard plastics if you can also find that stuff. It is slippery and a bit tricky, so I wouldn't recommend it unless you have a few years of snowskate experience, but it's something to do in the rainy days if you feel like it. So this is some of my footage